Hi. So now we are going to proceed with trigonometric substitution. So the problem of evaluating certain types of integrals involving algebraic expressions may be transformed into a problem of evaluating trigonometric integrals. So mao ni ang ako ang naingon sa inyo ha class na medyo dinhi lang ka critical kung unsa nga technique atong gamiton sa pag-evaluate sa unsa nga certain type of integral na formula to ang gamiton. So, naiuban nga mga algebraic expression na gamitan nato trigonometric substitution. So, the transformation is affected by appropriate trigonometric substitution or shortcut niya is TS for the original variable of integration. So, these trigonometric substitutions which lead to integrable forms. So, naatay cases gyapon, certain cases where we can apply trigonometric substitutions. So for our TS1, when the integrand contains the form of a squared minus u squared, we use the substitution u is equal to a sine theta. While TS2, we can apply when the integrand contains u squared plus a squared. So we use the substitution u is equal to a tan theta. So for TS3, when the integrand contains u squared minus a squared, we use the substitution u is equal to a secant theta. So for simplicity or para ma-simplify na to, we assume that theta is an acute angle, u is a differentiable function of x, and na siya, di na siya ana, and, sorry, and a is any number. So ako sang i-check og utro kay sa una class na victim na ko aning pag-record na ako lahi day ako ang ka-share screen no. Sayang kay to nga full lecture video. Kung kabantay mo dito sa topic nga recorded na lang class recorded na lang ako ang gi-upload kay actually nag-record jud ko adto pero unfortunately wala di ay na-share screen ang katong PowerPoint presentation. So anyway, balik ta. So, we assume that theta is an acute angle, u is a differentiable function of x, and a is any number. Okay, so para mas masabta nato, let's proceed with the examples. So for example number 1, if we are asked to evaluate the integral of x dx over square root of 4 minus x squared. So murag natay example ani last time class, natay example ani katong murag sa basic na trigo, pwede ninyo to i-review no. So napud tay nga niyo nato siya nga technique, pwede po ta magagamit aning TS or trigonometric substitution na technique in evaluating the integral. So for our solution, the integrand contains 4 minus x squared, right? Which is a form of a squared minus u squared. So we can apply the trigonometric substitution na property. Okay, so asa man na use a squared minus u squared. So we can use the first TS. So that is a which is equal to 2 since a squared minus u squared man ta. So 2 squared is 4, right? So a is equal to 2 and u is x. Hence, x is 2 sine theta or sine theta, i-rewrite na to siya, sine theta is equal to x over 2. And dx is equal to 2 cosine theta d theta kung i-derive na to ni siya. So the derivative of this one is 2 cosine theta d theta. Okay, so cosine theta now will be equal to square root of 4 minus x squared over 2. Okay, so or square root of 4 minus x squared is equal to 2 cosine theta. So, kung ang dx daw is equal to 2 cosine theta d theta, and atong i-substitute no, ang value ni cosine theta is square root of 4 minus x squared over 2. So, based din sa triangle, if magwata og triangle no, having theta as an acute angle, tapos mo ni si diri ang atong hypotenuse, kini ang atong opposite side, and this is our adjacent side. Since natay x is equal to, x daw is equal to 2 sine theta, di ba? So gamitan nato siya og SOHCAHTOA class. Okay? So the opposite side is equal to the adjacent times the hypotenuse. Okay, so or sine theta is equal to x over 2. Then cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Ang sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Recall lang nato atong trigonometry. So cosine theta now is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared over 2. Or we rewrite it as the square root of 4 minus x squared is equal to 2 cosine theta. So, ang mahitabuan na, we substitute the algebraic expression, i-substitute nato ang trigonometric na expression. So, now we have integral of x dx now is x, which is 2 sine theta. So, mo ni atong i-scribble nato. So, x ni nga part, no? So, si x, kini. So, we substitute it dire. Tapos, si dx, which is the derivative ni x. So, mo atong i-substitute dire. Okay? Dayon, si 4 minus x squared, which is this one, substitute dayon nato dire kay value ni 4 minus x squared. Okay, now, ato dayong i-simplify. So, natay ma-cancel out din since pag substitute nato itong mga values, nakabutag integral of 2 sine theta, 2 cosine theta d theta over 2 cosine theta, we can cancel out 2 cosine theta and 2 cosine theta here. Okay? So, ang mabilin is si 2 sine theta d theta. Okay? Okay. So, now we have the integral of 2 sine theta d theta. So, ipagawas na to si 2 since coefficient naman siya. So, now we have 2 integral of sine theta d theta. So, dali na lang kayo na to siya integrate. So, the integral of sine theta d theta is negative cosine theta. So, the answer is negative 2 cosine theta plus c. Or, tapos, i-substitute na din nato ang value ni cosine theta, di ba? Unsa man ang value ni cosine theta gani? Balikan lang nato ni ang atong gilet diri. Value ni cosine theta is 4 minus square root of 4 minus x squared over 2. So, i-substitute lang nato siya diri. Okay? So, medyo kaya-kaya ra ninyo ning trigonometric substitution. Okay, gamitan lang siya SOHCAHTOA. So, the final answer, by the way, is integral of the integral x dx over square root of 4 minus x squared is negative 4 plus 4 minus x squared plus c. Okay, so for example number 2, evaluate the integral of dx over 4x squared plus 9. So, for the solution, the integrand contains, di ba, ang integrand ani kay 1 over 4x squared plus 9. So the integrand contains 4x squared plus 9, which is in the form of u squared plus a squared. That is, a is equal to 3 and u is equal to 2x. Okay? So magamitan nato atong second na trigo substitution na key. So hence 2x is equal to 3. Wait lang, asan man nato ang triangle? Now nato ang triangle o pakita. So we have 2x is equal to 3 tan theta. So tangent theta is, di ba, ang tangent is opposite over adjacent. So mao nang tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. 2x is opposite na to, kini din mo ni ato ang adjacent. So mo ni ang ato ang hypotenuse, sorry. Hypotenuse. So we have tan theta is equal to 2x over 3, 2x over 3. So dx now is equal to 3 halves second squared theta d theta. So derivative ani, so kini 2x is equal to 3 tan theta man. So si 2 butang nato diri kang 3. So nahimo siya 3 halves ha. Ayun mo kalibugan derive ra nato ni siya. Si x is equal to 3 halves tan theta. So ang nahitabo sa iyahan nahimo siya 3 halves second squared theta d theta. So we have second theta is equal to square root of 4x squared plus 9 over 3. So opposite ni si second ni cosine, no? Kung si cosine kay adjacent over hypotenuse, second theta is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay? So 4x squared plus 9 is now equal to 9 second squared theta. So pag solve nato sa yaha, igo ra nato ni substitute ning atong mga buhat na trigonometric substitution, no? So balik na sa taning atong kwan, dx over 4x squared plus 9. So the value of dx is 3 halves second squared theta d theta. Substitute natin dito sa numerator. So 4x squared plus 9 is 9 second squared theta. So i-substitute natin siya sa denominator. Now we can cancel out. So now we have the integral of 3 halves second squared theta d theta over 9 second squared theta. So ma-cancel out nato si second squared theta over second squared theta, tapos si 3 halves, mahimo ni siya og 3 over 18, which will be simplified as 1/6. Okay? So now we have 1/6 integral of d theta. So which we know nga ang integral ani 1 is equal to theta alone na lang. So theta plus c. So we have 1/6 theta plus c. So i-substitute tayo nato tong original na value. Ang value ni theta, is arc tan 2/3 x. Okay, so ang value ni theta, okay, inverse man mo ni siya. So gikan dari, we can have the final answer which is 1/6 arc tan 2x over 3 plus c. So kini inverse ani. So we have 1/6 arc tan 2x over 3 plus c. So for our next example, example number 3. So evaluate the integral of dx over x squared times square root of 9 minus x squared. So for our solution, we let x be equal to a sine theta, which is 3 sine theta. Okay, so mo ni siya tong first na trigo substitution na case. Okay? So dx now, kung i-derive nato ni si 3 sine theta will be equal to 3 cosine theta d theta. Okay? Hence, the integral of dx over x squared times square root of 9 minus x squared now. Wait lang, asa na sila triangle. So, mani ang triangle nato. So, we have dx is 3 cosine theta. Mao atong i-substitute din kang dx sa value ni dx. Tapos, ang value ni x which is 3 sine theta. So, kini squared nato ni si 3 sine theta. Mami siya neta. And also, dirigi substitute nato. Okay? So, where, di ba, ayaw mong kalibog ani nga, a sine theta, tungod ra ni siya sa, so katawa lang, opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse. So, x is equal to 3 sine theta. So, i-simplify nato. Now, we have 3 cosine theta d theta over, kini ang square root ani is 3 cos, kini magamitan nato ni siya sa ato ang trigo identity and can be reduced into 3 cosine theta. So now we have 3 cosine theta d theta over 9 sine squared theta 3 cosine theta. So we can cancel out 3 cosine theta, 3 cosine theta here in the denominator. So finally, nanatani nga form nga integral of 1/9 integral of d theta over sine squared theta. So we know that 1 over sine squared is equal to cosecant squared theta. So the integral of that one is cotangent theta, right? So the final answer is negative 1/9 cotangent theta plus c. I-substitute dayon nato. What is the value of cotangent? It's the opposite of tan, right? Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Diba? So adjacent over the opposite dayon ta sa cotangent. So the final answer now is negative 1/9, the opposite, which is square root of 9 minus x squared over the adjacent, by the way, square root of 9 minus x squared over the opposite, which is x. So the final answer is negative 1/9 square root of 9 minus x squared over x. So for our last example, evaluate the integral of dx over 4x squared plus 1. So for our solution, we let u be equal to 2x, since 2x squared is equal to 4x squared, where a is equal to 1, so 2x is equal to tan theta. So ang property niya ni is katong second case nato, which is u squared plus a squared. So the derivative of x is, so kini inverse nato, so we have 1/2 tan, x is equal to 1/2 tan theta. So the derivative of that one is 1/2 secant theta d theta. So kung sa atwa pang triangle, we have 2x, the 2x is the opposite, 1 is our adjacent side, and square root of 4x squared plus 1 is our hypotenuse. So hence the integral of dx over square root of 4x squared plus 1. So gamiton na gyapon nato no kung ato ang gipang i-substitute lang nato ato ang nakuha nga mga value. So dx is 1/2 sec squared theta, that d theta. So ipagawas na nato si 1/2 since coefficient man siya. Then 4x squared of 4x squared plus 1 is mao ni ang ato ang is equal to secant theta, okay? Since ang secant is the opposite of cosine, right? So, hypotenuse over the adjacent side, which is 1 man. So, we have secant theta there. So, makancel out ang isa, aning secant theta, right? So, ang mabilin na may mo ni siya 1. So, ma-simplify na to siya into 1/2 integral of secant theta d theta. Now we know and we can apply the basic trigo na property. So, nanatay answer na 1/2 ln absolute value of secant theta plus tan theta plus t. Okay? So, ibalik lang day nato ang iyahang original na algebraic na equation, no? So, where ang atong gigamit as sec theta is square root of 4x squared plus 1 over 1 man. So, neglect na nato ang denominator. May mo siya square root of 4x squared plus 1 plus tan theta which is 2x over 1. So, our final answer is 1/2 ln absolute value of square root of 4x squared plus 1 plus 2x plus c. So, ingon ana ang trigonometric na substitution method or technique in solving integrals or integral functions. So, by the way, for the activity number 8, nani siya dx din. Sorry, wala na. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope na nakatuon mo or namoy nasabtan, ani. Bye-bye.